नमस्कार दर्शक बंधु, डीएवी मॉडल सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल रे वार्षिक क्रीड़ा प्रतियोगिता पालित स्थानीय डीएवी सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल रे तारीख 10-1-25 एवं 11-1-25 दुई दिन मध्य वार्षिक क्रीड़ा प्रतियोगिता उत्सव पालित हो जाइछि। विद्यालयर सभापति श्रीजुक्त रमाकांत राउल पताका उत्तोलन करिथिबा बेले क्रीडार उपयोगिता विषय एओ श्रीजुक्त रविनारायण पाणिग्राही एवं विद्यालयर प्रिंसिपाल श्रीजुक्त अब्दुल कादर अभिभाषण प्रदान करी छात्र छात्री मानक उत्साहित करथिले। प्रथमे छात्र छात्री माने कनकदुर्गा मंदिररू मशाल आनी खेल आरंभरू खेलर नियम एवं ताहार पालन विषय शपथ पाठ करी खेल आरंभ करथिले। क्रीड़ा शिक्षक श्री अंकेश श्रीवास्तव खेलर दायित्व नेइथिबा बेले विद्यालयर समस्त शिक्षक शिक्षयित्री विभिन्न खेल खेलिबा पई पिलामानकर दायित्व तुलाइथिले। विभिन्न खेल सहित कौतुकिया पोशाकर प्रतियोगिता मध्य होइथिला। कृति छात्र छात्री को पुरस्कार तथा मानपत्र मान सभापति एओ एवं प्रिंसिपाल प्रदान करथिले। खेल शेष विद्यालयर भाइस प्रिंसिपाल श्रीजुक्त मोहम्मद मुंजीर समस्त को धन्यवाद अर्पण करथिले।
This is Payal Mahapatra receiving the prize. This is Nazia Fatima. Thank you very much, Shobha madam. Please take your seat. Now, I have
Whole class, सावधान। Oath taking. On this annual sports day, with the students of DAV Model Senior Secondary School, Jaipur, solemnly pledge to uphold the spirits of sportsmanship, to play with fairness and integrity, to respect our competitors and abide by the rules, to give our best effort in every game, and to cherish the true essence of teamwork and discipline. We commit to promoting health, fitness and unity, and to make this event memorable and celebrate the joy of sports with enthusiasm and dedication. Jai Hind! Jai Hind!
Subhasmita Kumbharo of class 8. Subhasmita Kumbharo of class 8. And third prize, Runi Ponda of class 8.
Come fast.
Now, shot put for junior boys. Shot put for junior boys. First prize goes to Himanshu Mahapatra of class 8. Himanshu Mahapatra of class 8. Second prize goes to Burhan Raza of class 7. Burhan Raza of class 7. Third prize, Naveen Kumar Misro of class 8. Naveen Kumar Misro of class 8. Thank you, sir. Please take your seat.
Frog jump competition started for class 1 and 2 girls. 1 and 2 girls, frog jump, running like, jumping like frogs. Mubarak Hussain of class 5 is running to take a long jump. Good jump. Frog jump competition is going on the main track for girls, class 1 and class 2 girls.
Ovais Raza of class 1. This is Ovais Raza of class 1. Second prize goes to Mahadev Gowdo of class 2. Mahadev Gowdo of class 2. And third prize goes to Om Prakash Gowdo of class 1. Om Prakash Gowdo of class 1. Om Prakash. Slow. This is Om Prakash Gowdo receiving the prize for some race, third prize. Now the turn of girls. First prize goes to Somyasri Padhi of class 2. Somyasri Padhi of class 2. Second prize goes to Harshita Jani of class 2. Harshita Jani of class 2. And third prize goes to Sweetie Senapati of class 2. Sweetie Senapati of class 2. Thank you very much, Satyabhama madam. Now may I request Shobha madam to please come forward to give the prizes.
Whole class, Vishram.
With this, 54th annual sports is closed today. And thank you very much to everyone who has participated and also cooperated. Thank you very much. Monday, let's meet at usual time. Thank you. And small kids, you go with your parent. Until then, the teachers will guide you.
मंडे छुट्टी नहीं है, ठीक है? मंडे स्कूल है, ठीक है? मंडे छुट्टी नहीं है.
Debate competition for juniors. First prize Aditya Kumar Sahu, class 5. Aditya Kumar Sahu of class 5. Second prize MD Sohail of class 7. MD Sohail of class 7. And the third prize Siddharth Singh of class 7. Third prize, Siddharth Singh of class 7. Thank you, sir. Please take your seat. Now may I request our principal sir to please stand up for the song competition. Song competition on Children's Day. First prize goes to Dibyansri Panigrahi of class 8. Dibyansri Panigrahi of class 8. Song competition. Second prize, Barsha Rani Anaka. Barsha Rani Anaka. Anybody, please come and collect. Class teacher. Third prize, MD Sohail of class 7. MD Sohail. MD Sohail. Then English essay competition for seniors. First prize goes to Bibhu Prasad Bhutta Misra of class 10. Bibhu Prasad Bhutta Misra of class 10. Second prize goes to Suhana Bano of class 10. Suhana Bano of class 10. And third prize goes to Pragya Guntha of class 8. English essay competition, third prize goes to Pragya Guntha of class 8. So with this, the prize distribution ceremony of Children's Day is over. Now let us start the prize distribution ceremony of sports events. Thank you, Principal Sir. Please take your seat. We will start with bucket and ball for juniors. Bucket and ball junior girls. First prize goes to Isha Rani Behra of class 3. May I request Rajeshri Madam to please give the prize. Isha Rani Behra of class 3. Second prize goes to Nidhi Pradhan of class 4. Nidhi Pradhan. And third prize goes to Nazia Fatima of class 4. Nazia Fatima. Then prizes for bucket the ball junior boys. Bucket the ball junior boys. First prize Ansh Khosla of UKG. Ansh Khosla for UKG. Second prize Abdul Kader of nursery. Abdul Kader of nursery. Class teachers, please guide the kids. Third prize goes to Manas Muduli from nursery. Manas Muduli from nursery. This is Manas Muduli from nursery. Bucket the ball. Bucket the ball, girls. First prize, Anshika Pandey, UKG. Anshika Pandey, UKG. Second prize, R. Harshita Patnaik, nursery. Teachers, please guide the kids. R. Harshita Patnaik, nursery. Third prize, Simran A. Acharya. Simran Acharya from nursery. This is Simran Acharya from nursery. Thank you, Rajeshri madam. Please take your seat. Now the prizes for shot put juniors, girls. First prize goes to Shalia Firdos for class 8. Shalia Firdos of class 8. May I request AO sir to please give the prize.